Check it out, Jason. Alright, I'm going to show you what I have running here. I have a Minotaur it's stable down to 2 ohms. At 2 ohms you get 1300 watts. This is a Minotaur 2. So you'll get 1300 watts, and at 4 ohms you'll get 750. So I have 2 4 ohm dual voice coil type R's, Alpines, and of course for sound quality, I'm series the voice coils and then parallel the 2 subwoofers. I got my gain all the way down. I'm getting my signal straight from the Ra. I didn't take it through the line driver because the Ra is a line driver. Okay. Signal. I got them separated. Boom. Line in at 2, 1 and 2, not 1 through 4. Gain is all the way down. Now here's how you want to set this up. First thing you should do is decide whether you want to use this crossover or not. It's a low pass, Linkwitz Riley, 24 dB per octave slope. I'm using mine. I got the low pass on the Minotaur. It's the same exact crossover. I got that one set all the way up. So I'm using this one, and the low pass crossover is on the remote control. Is on the base remote control. That's what an awesome feature. I freaking love it. So I got it set a little high. I want it around 110. I'm gonna have to run a sweep to see exactly where it is, because it's 85, and the next place up is 130. Alright, so the Ra is also a line driver, and it boosts your signal 4 times. So I have 2 volts coming from my head unit going to the Ra. The Ra's boosting that to 8 volts. Alright, and here's how you want to set this. No compressor. I can't tell if you can see that, but it's high on this side and low on that side, it says, but this is no compression. That's full compression. I guess it's a little confusing the way he's got it. I guess he put it like that to not confuse people, because here you're getting more bass, here you're getting less bass. So I guess that's why I put high on this side and low on this side. Anyway, you want that all the way down. You want to pick, really you want to pick the loudest bass song you have. You put your compression all the way down. Put your volume. He suggested 85%. I want a little more play than that because I listen to some of the stuff I listen to has almost no bass. I'll show you how that comes in handy. Keeping it a little lower, it'll drive up songs without bass. It'll drive the bass up in it, and it sounds so much better. Take my fader. I'm going to take it off the front. The rear speakers are ran by this Draconia 1. And what I'm going to do for the rear speakers, channels 3 and 4, I got the signal coming from 1 and 2. I'm going to take it from 3 and 4 and I'll get no sound out of it. Now all I'm running is the subwoofer right now. So that's how we're going to set the gain so that we're 3 dBs down. I might take it in the 0. 3 dBs down is half rated power. So I'm going to turn the head unit up to the clip point. We got our compressors all the way down. We have the master volume on the Ra at 75%. Here we go. We'll go with that. Oh. Give it some rear speaker. All right. Let's see where we are with the compressor.
Beef for the tip there, bruv. Can you tell me what program I should use?
You can use anything you like. Just don't fucking cry to me when your illegally downloaded version of Fruity Loops is unable to keep up with this brutal drop.
We'll listen to it at a respectable level.
That's how they wish to interpret my defense of values and freedom, fundamental.
And this is going to come in handy here also.
These casualty figures were not as high as those expected.
I know automatically I'm going to take all the compression out of there. So the bass that you can hear is really low. don't know if you could hear that through my camera, but it makes it sound like you're right in the concert. It's a little sloppy. Using this, you don't want to use it too much because it sounds a little sloppy. Maybe that's in the recording of these old hardcore punk bands, but it gives it some ass. That's what I've been using the sub-harmonic synthesizer for. Turned it up a little bit, turned my compression up a little bit. Okay?
Perhaps even edited to sound a little different. Try messing around with a couple different synth sounds. Of course, it is absolutely essential that you make your new drum really fucking heavy.
What do you think, man?
Tell me what program I should use.
It hits a little harder, doesn't it?
Use